Hello all, I hope you guys are doing well. This video is especially for the 12th students who are looking for any career paths, which is nothing but once you are done with your 12th students, what degree I need to take. Few students go for degree, few students go for engineering, few students go into an army, few students go for navy, air force, whatever the career options they want to like for. But what I suggest for the students is once you are done with your 12th which is 12th boards, you have a free time. You have a free time of 4 months or 5 months. Do not get panicked by the marks you guys are getting. Few students get disturbed and very much distracted that my friend got 95 percentage, I got 80 percentage, I'll be not getting any kind of an admission in the colleges what I've dreamed for. Do remember, dreams can be achieved in a later point of time too. It is not a compulsion that whatever I dream for I should get that. Okay? Do remember that dreams can be achieved when the success, hard work and a little bit of smart work comes in the way, and a little bit of sacrifice with a little bit of compromise, with a pinch of compromise. I know it is little bit rhyming, but from the past 8 years of my teaching experience and struggling a lot, I have learned a lot of things in my teaching career. Uh, it may be my health issues, it may be my teaching career, it may be living on my own. But what I suggest for the students is once you are done with your boards, when you have a free time, please think about the free time. Please think about the career options. What you need to want, what you need to choose. Same thing. Same thing I have said. I'll tell to my students also. For suppose we'll take an example. There are two boards, which is a board A and board B. Do not keep your two legs on the two boards A and B. Why? Because A is going on a separate career, B is going on a separate career. Many of the students think that I'll be keeping my two legs on a separate boards, and those boards will meet at a common point, and we'll see that wherever my future goes, I'll go in that way. It is not a Nile river or an Amazon river. Wherever it flows, I'll go through that way. Career is not that. Career is not that a river or a pathway that wherever you step in, it will go that in that easy format. It is not that easy. Success will come after a lot of struggle and a lot of hard work when you go through that phase, which is of very much obstacle kind of a phase will get you a lot of will bring you a person and it will get the hidden talents which you itself do not know that you have these kind of talents. So once your 12 boards are done, please with a common sense, think of the career options you want to choose, and whatever the career options you want to aspire for, do not pick up in a panic situation and do not get into the force of your parents that my parents want to go for engineering, my parents want me to study doctor, or either want to become a hotel manager or either banker or the finance manager of a big multinational company or something which you do not aspire for. Please become a thing which you need, which you are aspiring for, which your heart tells. Well, because when you are in a footpath, or when you are in a path of a direct path where in the direction where you are choosing that I am taking this career, if the God, by God's grace, if you have achieved a lot of good career, you will pat your back and you'll think that I have made a correct decision. If by any chance if your career got in a wrong directions, you'll at least not have regrets that I have not done these things. It's better that think of the career options which you want to choose and you want to aspire for. Maybe it may be a doctor, it may be engineering, it may be any medicine, it may be any kind of a profession which you want to aspire for. Money is not a mandatory thing. In a early stages of your life, money is not a thing which you want to grab it for. Money comes later. I know that money is also a mandate thing in this present generation, but please work for the works. Please look for the career option which has a work culture, ethics, and moral values which you are touching, and so you can become that. Even though I have studied my engineering, what I do is teaching students. It gives me happiness. By teaching students, in a way I'm earning good money. My network is also getting span, and even I'm pursuing my post graduation too with the teaching my career also. With that also you can go for it. Please students, once you are done with your 12th class board exams, please go for the career options which you want to aspire for. Do not get or choose any career options which you parents want to choose. Okay? I strongly urge with all the respect I have for the parents, please make your child choose your career options which they want to aspire for. I know you have invested a lot of money, but please do let them do what they want so that they do not have any regret in the later point of time. and they'll be happy and peaceful that they have chosen a career which they want to aspire and they want to become, maybe in terms of any career options. But whenever you need any guidance or a mentorship, please ping me on my all the social media handles. In this video description I'll be giving. With 8 years of my struggle and a lot of spine network, wide span of network, I'll be in a position to give you a good sensible advice depending upon the person you are, not for the marks you got. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please share it with your friends, well wishers, and try to share it among all the friends, those who finish their 12th and they are in a dilemma that what they want to become and what they want to choose. Thank you so much.